Hi guys, welcome to Aslan's Dreamland. Today I'm going to be showing you all my poppets and we're going to have a blast. So this is my stop sign poppet. This is my other stop sign poppet. This is my snapper. I call them snappers because I can't call them snappies. Because he snapped. This is my ice cream poppet with a little bite mark on it. It was bought like that. This is my dinosaur poppet. This is my mochi. I love it because my best friend gave it to me because it was so nice to her, and it was on the last day of school. So, yeah. This is my mini frisbee. I got it from the fair. I found it on the ground. That's why it's all scraped up. This is my slimy sand. It's very fun to play with. This is my little squishy thing. And you can put like a pop tube in it. And then stretch it like this. And then this is another one of my fidgets. This is my purple pop tube. My purple pop tube. It sounds so loud, but it's not as loud as you think. And it's very fun to play with. This is my fidget spinner. Spins very well. This is my flower poppet. I love it so much because I got it from my aunt. This is my 41-piece Wacky Track. I got this one for Christmas, this one for my best friend, and this one for my best friend. And that's how I made it a 41-piece. This is my fidget spinner poppet. My fidget spinner poppet, because it spins. This is my Simple Dimple. Very, very, very cool. And because I got it from my grandma, but the big one pops the best. This is my unicorn poppet, one of my favorites. This is my cupcake poppet, very rare. Because it's so sparkly, I call it rare. I know it's not rare, but it's kind of rare to me. This is my Rubik's Cube. I've been working on it for a long time. Might be able to finish it now, if I'm smart enough to do it. This is my otter poppet. Very special to me. I got it for my birthday. My heart poppet. I love it because it's love. For if you have a crush on somebody or you love your mom and dad. This is my mama's poppet. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. This is my butterfly poppet. This is my gummy bear poppet. This is my red mini pop tube. This is my pink pop tube. an inchworm. My pink and yellow marble mash.
Look like a dragon, but I'm still Miss Weather. This is what happens when I get the light.
My little whacker. I whack people with it. That's why I call it a whacker. Somebody's calling my dad. It's an L or a gun. My unicorn monkey noodle. No. My pink and yellow monkey now. 1 second. My pinky. You keep dropping my yellow one. Ah! My pink and yellow monkey noodle. My orange and blue monkey noodle. My little chain smoker. Ah! My chain. Very easy to take apart. My unicorn squishy peekaboo unicorn. My squishy fish. My llama squishy. My globe squishy. My little like stretcher. I don't know, what was my globe puppet? That's just my globe thing. My heart puppet that looks just like my butterfly puppet, because you can see how thick they are. They're both the same kind of thickness. My cow puppet, my cow squishy. It's wrapped right there and on its leg, but it's okay. I don't mind because I got it from my crush. My other fidget spinner puppet. My squishy sloth. Squishy, squishy, squishy. My little squishy orange thing. I don't really know what it's called. It's just like a stress ball. It's kind of a needle, just not a color changing needle, but it has slime in it. My little fidget ball. So I'll give you an example what it's actually kind of do. So, you see how it's all messed up like this? Watch. Have to keep it in the color of the best I can. My pop-it ball. You pop the balls in, and then you squeeze it, and then the balls come out. My frog puppet. My sister didn't paint. So, well, my cute little ducky puppy. I know, I'm just yanking and stuff. My other strawberry puppet. My strawberry puppet. My other strawberry puppet. My water timer, when you shake it, that's what it does. It's very cool. I'm going to do this. That's how cool it is. My Pikachu mochi. My kinetic sand. My football squishy. Little ripped, but a little ripped right there. And a little ripped right here. So, you can just pop these things back in. Because that's what I have to do because it's ripped. Put them back in there. My tech deck. You need it on its side like that, like this. My pineapple puppet, my favorite. Did that face some? My purple marble mesh. It goes really fast. My green, red, and black marble mesh. My red man puppet. You can name it if you want. My little Rubik's cube ball. I have to get the colors all sorted. My pumpkin monkey noodle, very stretchy, and you can do this. My purple monkey noodle, I'll make sure what you can do. Smack somebody. My mini Rubik's cube. My unicorn monkey noodle. My little pop tube. My little chain thing. My little like thing where you like push this one ring through this ring. Very fun to play with. My acupressure ring. My pink little stretch ring. Look just like that pink one I showed you. My snap bracelet. I got it from the Goodwill Mo's. Some arcade place. My fidget spinner. You can also like try to pick it up if you want one spinning, but you can't. You just have to do it like this. Or you can just spin it like this. What's in your head and then drop it and then my peas in a pod. And my marble cube. Thanks for watching Aslan's Dreamland. So, thank you. Like and subscribe and comment what you want to name this little guy, please. And thank you. Bye, fans. Love you.